are your usual sleep time during the school holidays?
Depends. Sometimes I sleep early and sometimes I sleep late.
So what is the time that is early? What is late?
Early is like 7. No, like 9.
What
Late
is late?
is like 11.
11?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or maybe 5 a.m. sometimes.
I'm on the phone 24/7. I'll be either going to sleep at 6 a.m. or 7-ish, and then I'll just wake up in the afternoon.
Are you very tired? No. But you look sleepy.
This chef program came about because we saw that there was a need in the community to introduce somewhat of a routine into their lives during the holiday program. During the holiday season, we found that there were a lot of children who had dysregulated sleeping routines. This would mean that they might wake up in the afternoon rather than wake up in the morning on an average day, simply because they don't have any commitments in the morning and they find themselves staying up way late into the night and then compensating that by sleeping also in the morning. So it's not only just cooking, as the name suggests, but the children are involved in every process of cooking. So we start even from picking out herbs from the garden, from preparing the ingredients, to chopping them, cutting them, or slicing and dicing, all those funky things we need to do to prepare food for then eventually the step of cooking, which also doesn't end there because eventually we will also prepare the food to serve them to the community of children here.
We now take a break from the chef program to the onion disaster.
I can't look down. You see a tear in my eye. I'm holding it in.
There's something so painful exists.
Because God knows you can handle challenges. God knows you
Because
are
pain
strong.
exists.
Actually,
Don't zoom in on me, bro.
actually my answer is just it's tasty. You have to suffer for things that make food tasty.
During the chef program, I've learned that they are actually interested in cooking because actually I do see them most of the time outside playing around. Yeah, so when they join the chef program, I actually got to learn that they can focus actually. They can actually learn cooking well. Yeah, and because everything was in step by step. Yeah, so they managed to learn it fast and they managed to adapt everything quickly. Yeah.
Your hair?
Yeah,
Just the fuzzy.
no.
What brings you here today?
Cooking.
Cooking?
That's all I
Because the cooking in got new recipes that I've never tried before, and also I like, you never know, you learn something new. So
Go.
Like that.
Yes, massage. Make sure that all the chicken has...
Hey, Leia, you scaredy cat. This is how you do.
Correct.
Slam it.
I guess the main challenge is trying to get the whole chef program team to come down. Yeah, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 of them. Yeah, so sometimes it will be 3, 4, or the worst was 0. Yeah.
I wasn't very pleased with the timing because during before all the breaks during school time, I usually wake up at 6 a.m. I'm a very irritated mood. So when I see the time was 10 a.m., meaning I have to wake up at 9 because I take a long time to get ready. I was like, hopefully I don't get irritated the whole day.
Just put alarm.
Put an alarm clock?
Yeah.
Do you usually put an alarm clock during the holidays?
No. The sun wakes me up.
Sometimes I know that I'll doubt myself for the tomorrow thing, so I'll set 3 alarms each minute, or if I don't doubt myself, I'll just put 1.
I think as the program went on, and it went on for about 4 weeks, the children were able to take better accountability of what was expected as part of the chef program. So from showing up on time to then committing throughout the entire 3-hour window, and then after that showing up day on day. Teamwork was absolutely in abundance throughout the entire process. I saw a lot of looking out for each other, especially when the children were cutting the ingredients. They were not territorial at all about what they were doing. When they saw that perhaps their station was complete, they would help out their teammates. Sometimes when there was only one task that was going on during the program, like stirring a pot for example, the children would all take turns. So I really commend them for their camaraderie and that spirit of working together.
Chicken bolognese. That's the best in the world.
Bolognese, what is that?
Chicken bolognese.
Chicken bolognese, yes. So chicken bolognese was the dish I felt that the kids enjoyed most.
Do you enjoy being with them the most during the chef program?
Eating with them, yeah, I guess that's the moment where I actually like, because having to sit down and chill and eat together as a community, right? And I think it's not only the people from the chef program, like we have people from the neighborhood and the community who come down and eat with us. Yeah, so it makes things more lively, and I like to see that livelihood where people just come in, take food and eat. Yeah, I guess another thing I enjoy is just doing things with them in the kitchen. I mean, it's everywhere, it's so happening in the kitchen, so many funny things happen.
And now, presenting the TTKC Chef Program ASMR edition.
How has your sleeping time changed after trying to attend the chef program?
Not much. I still go to bed at like 6-ish. And like if I do make it on time, it means I slept early, like a little earlier than usual. Tried to put my time to like wake up more often, which is kind of missing a lot. As you can see how many zeros I have over there, because I wake up irritated and I just...
It changed from me to waking up at like 1 p.m. to me waking up at like 10. Waking up very early.
I actually see a lot of effort in them trying to wake up early and come, because we have some really committed ones. To see that we have kids here who find ways and find solutions to wake up early and to make an effort to attend chef program, yeah, it's really something happy to see.
Unnecessary actions.
Alright. Oh, it's a carrot burger.
It's a carrot burger.
This is a carrot, right? Then you smash it.
And what it becomes?
Carrot burger. Hey, wait. Huh?
The salt bay.
What's so big? Sun.
Because there's a salt bay yesterday.
Last week.
Okay, I can